We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. How deep it can go, if because we putting right now we're looking at this one as a correction in relative to this. How deep it can go, still we can expect this one drop to 0.118, because if we want to look for buy, still we can expect the price drop some more, then any reversal from there we can look for buy, because most of the charts they have a similar movement. And the only thing is we can put this one in relative to this as a flat or not. All right, then as I mentioned, if you want to look for buy, we prefer this one drop some more, at least to give us one more drop. Then any reversal from there we can look for buy, and we're looking for the target 0.15. The only thing is 0.15 a bit higher as the previous top. That means if we get any trade setup for buy, we're looking for the breakout of the previous top, which is 0.147. Okay, just now I mentioned we prefer this one to give us one more drop. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here, because if the price continue from here, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup, because we're looking for the sharp move flag. That's why we prefer this one turn to a deeper move. Okay, and beside that, even if you're looking for buy, I need to highlight that where we're buying is almost at the top of this correction. That means we should have the proper management in case, because we want to see the breakout of the previous stop. If the price cannot break, how about if we get one more drop and this one turn to flat? Okay, that's why buying is really risky. And beside that, can we look for sell? First of all, if we move to forward chart, we don't have any confirmation based on forward chart for the price. I mean, we cannot confirm this one as a flat, because I mean we don't have any information based on the indicator that give us information that the price is going to reverse. If we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we discussed about how we can look for reversal. All right, now for us still we can look for continuation. We want to see the price break the previous top or not. Then if the price couldn't break, then maybe we can look for this one as a flat. Now the reason, as I mentioned, is even I mentioned in my last analysis, if we want to look for buy, we need to be really careful, because if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, MACD doesn't show us the divergence, but here we get the divergence. And can we look for sell? Since we get this sharp move, this correction, if we get any sell, we can look for as a short-term trade, as long as we get one more drop. I mean, as long as the price, if we get a sell, it move to the profit, we start to manage it. Then from there, we can look for target 0.118 as a target for the sell. And the reasons we can look for sell, in case this is the start of the down move. If there is a continuation, we can keep it. Okay, but from what we have right now, we can expect to get one more drop. We look for this one as a flat. Any reversal from there, we can look for buy. Sell is not part of this analysis, but if we get any sell, we can consider as a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. And if you move to daily chart, we don't have anything to discuss. We want to see whether the price continue or then it can turn to a bigger correction. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart as we mentioned. If you want to look for buy, let this one give us one more drop, at least to 0.118. Then any reversal from there, we can look for buy. We have to get the reversal. All right. In this case, if we want to look for buy, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.